As a trader, knowing where there's a pile of volume, I'm talking about a huge amount of volume in the market, can significantly impact the way you make money. And I'm telling you this not because of just saying sake. I'm telling you this because I want you to know today. If you don't know that volume can impact the way you trade the financial market, in this video, I will be sharing with you a powerful tool that will significantly change the way you look at the market, and you're going to be seeing and you will be spotting when there's a huge volume in the market, and so you can also take advantage of it. This video will be a wonderful video about Bookmap. I'll show you exactly how you can predict, how you can see where there are a lot of feeds in the market using this wonderful software. You may have heard about this software, or maybe not, and maybe you also heard about it but you don't know how to use it. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can use the Bookmap to make an informed decision while trading the stock market. Whatsoever you're using it for, this is going to be a must-have tool for you. And I just want you to pay attention, because this is not some kind of rushing video that I'll just do it and maybe you can just jump up and go, because there's a little bit of delay from my explanation. Please stick around and make sure you watch the video to the end. I will be going on a short break, and after that I will be coming back. I'll be breaking down the whole thing step by step. Let's go. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm here with you once again in the studio, and I will be explaining to you a powerful tool I think every stock trader needs to have in their possession. And this tool is magnificent, and one good thing about the tool is that you can start using this tool 100% for free during the trial period without no problem. So you can see exactly how the tool works. Probably you can also apply it to your own trading account, to your own trading portfolio, and then you're going to be seeing where the pile of volume in the market, so you can also take advantage of the market at that same spot to make good amount of money. This tool is called Bookmap, and I want you to stick around because it's going to change the way to the financial market. If today's the first time you're seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot, because this video is going to be a turnaround for you watching this video today. Now, without wasting any of your time, let's dive into my desktop right over here, and I will be sharing the whole thing with you without no delay. Let's go. If I come here, I'm going to see I am on Bookmap. It's an app which is on the official site. You can get it from the official site, and then once you opt in for testing, they're going to give you free trial. You can see it's called bookmap.com, and of course I will be leaving the link to get this 100% for free in the video description below. Now you just have to use this link, because using the link will also give you an extra edge in the market. I can see that the whole thing looks so intimidated. Believe me, it's very, very intimidated by its scene, but with few minutes from now, you're going to understand how to use it. For me, it took me some time to understand exactly how the whole thing works, and also I was be able to spot where there are volumes in the markets, and by looking at the chart on my real chart, I knew something is about to happen. And it doesn't waste much time until the chart skyrocketed, and I knew, because from the Bookmap I saw there's going to be huge volume. I saw the market is in a range of huge volume towards the upside, and then boom, it went to the upside and you make profit. Now if you come here, you're going to see look at this level here. From here, you're going to see this level here, those orange colors here, orange and yellow together combined. There are huge volume at the resistance, and then the one below the moving lines or charts, those are the support area. And believe me, people are already making money with this system, and it looks as if you are left behind whatsoever. And I'll tell you the honest truth, you are not supposed to be left behind, and this is really working. Now this is the bubbles. If you pay attention, you're going to be seeing some bubbles. Those bubbles, the green bubbles are bullish volume, and then the red bubbles are bearish volume. That's the way you're going to tweak this around, tweak this to your own advantage in order to make good amount of money. And for me, I look at it like it's a tool. Yeah, a little bit intimidated, but it worth every single attention of yours, because now look, there's a pile of volume happening here right now. There's volume here at the resistance. That simply means people are placing tons and tons, thousands of millions of dollars here for this asset. Now, what asset am I on right now? I am on BTC USD right now. And of course, I'm using a trial version also, because the premium version, you can even get more. Now, here you're going to see lots of orders are being placed here. Those areas are the resistance area, and there are a lot of orders here. People are predicting, traders are predicting that if by the time price rise to this extent, it's going to drop. This is based on real world data. It's happening. Look at it. All the charts are happening. Everything is happening right before your eyes, and people are placing orders right now. You can see it's changing. That simply means people are placing lots and lots of orders right now at the resistance at this area, because I can see a resistance right here. There's a peak here, and then people confirming this to be a resistance. And even previously, you're going to see there's a pile of volume here towards the upside here. People are saying this might not, break that resistance. Is going to maybe trigger their maybe sell orders, and then it will start selling. And you can see people are doing that. You can see by the time the price went into that, some orders have been triggered, and hopefully this should drop for them. And the truth is that you will make good amount of money with this system altogether. That's one thing also I learned about the system. The system need a very strong, powerful computer, because it's a graphic representation. So it's a little bit slow. It slowed down my system as well. But that's not fine. That's fine, because I'll also explain the whole thing. It won't stop me from explaining. Now, this single candle right now has triggered a lot of orders, and hopefully I pray this thing begin to drop. But the truth about the whole thing, this is where you're going to be seeing lots and lots of volume. The truth is, can I make money from looking at the feed of Bookmap? Yes, you can make a good amount of money. It requires calculation, because some people said Forex trading is a gambling, and I don't want to call Forex a gambling, but I also call Forex a gambling. But in my own terms, I can say Forex is a calculated gambling, and it's true, because if your calculation is right, you are going to make money. So Forex is a gambling, yes, but it's a calculated gambling. Whether Forex stocks, indices, they're all calculated gambling. But at the end of the day, you are going to make money. Now, if you see what is happening, this is dropping. In my own opinion, this support here is becoming stronger, because people are piling lots and lots of orders already towards the downside, and I hope they make money from it. That is it. So this is how you can see this happening in real time. Let's go back to Apple. If I click on Apple, look at it here. If I click on Apple right now, you're going to see that Apple is going, and yes, we can see that already, that Apple is going, and with lots and lot of orders. You can see people are piling up orders. Look at tons and tons of volumes over here at the top here. Look at huge volume here, and there's other volume being piled up here. People are placing, you will be seeing people placing order in real time. It's not something that you are not notified. You know it. It's happening before your eyes. You'll be seeing people placing orders, piling up orders. This software gives me a secret behind the Wall Street market. I can now see some hidden secret that the professionals behind the Wall Street market are really hiding from us, but now we can see it from Bookmap. So this is beautiful, right? Now you can see there's a volume here. Traders are predicting that when this thing drops to this extent, it's going to hold, and then they pile up their support, they pile up their orders here, and look at more orders here. Look at some orders in this level, and anywhere you see yellow or orange, that simplify order. In fact, if you see it more orange without any yellow combined like this, there's going to be a strong order right there. There are a lot of people piling up tons and tons, thousands of dollars right at that area. So this is how to see what happened in real life. For me, I don't have much to share with you in this video, but I hope you derive value from what I just told you in this video. This is a simple tool that you can start using right now. The link to get access to this tool is 100% available in the video description below. And honestly, that is it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, that simply means you are not doing me well. Please subscribe and share this video with family and friends, and that will help me a lot. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you on the next one, but until then, I want to say bye.